Create an inviting space where the best moments begin with the big, bold, and comfortable Meridian gas fireplace. Gather round dancing flames in a taller hearth that puts out generous heat. Even run your fireplace by remote or smart technology. With on-trend styling choices to fit your look, it will be your favorite spot in the home. Outfit the Meridian with your pick of brick interiors or reflective black glass to go with oak hand-painted logs. Or go more modern with driftwood logs, stones, and a glass fire bed with trim options that fit any look. Want less heat or to enjoy the ambience year round? Our heat management options keep the comfort level just right. Upgrade to the Meridian Platinum for even more fireside presence, and if you want to warm up a larger space. Experience the next big thing from Majestic at your local authorized dealer.